Garage door fails are crazy. Let's see. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. They broke the whole garage door about the truck. That must be crazy. And okay, normal garage door. Okay. Yo, they broke the whole thing. Okay, this guy, he was looking at the phone. He picked the wrong garage door. Put your phone down, dude. You have to put your phone down because you have to look what you're doing. Let's see what he's doing. Okay. I think he's gonna make a big mistake, guys. So, let's see. Oh my gosh. He made a big mistake. He's gonna get in trouble. Yo! He got in trouble now. So, he made a mistake. So, just a big mistake, guys. So, let's see how it looks like. Let's see. Oh, they broke the whole thing. Crazy. The delivery truck is out. Gonna be out. I mean, let's see. I made a big noise. Oh my gosh, this guy is mad already. Okay, good garage door opener. Let's see. Look at the test. Okay. Right. Oh my gosh, they are all burned now. So that'll be crazy. Oh, what he's doing with that thing? Is he cutting a window? Oh, that's a garage door. Okay. I wonder what he's cutting for. That must be crazy or something. I think they're gonna make a window or something. I have no idea. Let's find out. Okay. They make a square or a rectangle. Let's see. Oh, is he playing the garage door? Is that guy? Guys, make the comics, please. Let's see if he's playing or not. So, he looks like he's playing. But, oh my gosh, he broke the whole thing. And, let's see. The garage door, the rail's already bending. I'm like, that's crazy. Oh, this car will be a lot of scratches. Whoa, they fell off the rails. That's crazy. Okay, they'll be big in trouble. Oh, let's see the car. Oh, no. Oh my gosh, they broke the whole thing. Okay, this car stop. You broke the whole thing. Oh, they hit the garage door. Is that a deer? Oh, yo, they hit the garage door. There's a lot of deers over there on the security cameras. So, that'll be crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay, the lady's still in the restaurant. Okay. Oh, be careful, lady. No, the car already hit the garage door. It's made out of glass. Oh my gosh. Oh, they broke the whole thing. Is that a kid driving? Guys, tell me in the comments if it's true or not. Oh, with the hard keychain. Let's see. Oh, they hit the window. I think he's gonna be grounded. He's gonna get punishment.